Hi, my name is Chris, and I am presenting to you from MRF 340. We're going to talk about the listen loop that's been recently installed, how to make it work, what it does, and how to prevent any catastrophes from happening. So, the listen loop is a wire embedded under the carpet. It provides hearing impaired people with the ability to hear what's going on in the room privately to set their own levels. Most hearing impaired individuals will come in with a hearing aid, and if their hearing aid is enabled for loop technology, they will be able to pick it up, set their level on their own. Some may carry their own receiver with them. In the event that they don't, we do want to make sure that everybody is able to hear. And when I come into the room, if the mic is not on, when I'm kind of testing this mic to see that it is not on, then we're going to need to turn on the system, if we haven't done that already. Go to Other Controls and see where this is muted. We're going to unmute that microphone, and now this microphone is working, and we know that any audio that runs through the speakers is also running to the loop. It's also running to the hearing impaired system. And that's how we make sure that the hearing impaired system is working. If they don't have their own hardware, their own hearing aid enabled, we can provide them with a set right here. So in here are a set of headphones. Let's open up the headphones. Unwrap them. Get my headphones on and ready. And here, in this box, is a receiver. This receiver is what picks up the loop. I want to make sure that the battery has its rubber protector off. That will allow the battery to power the loop receiver. And then somehow you're going to get that back on. Plug in our headphones. Over the neck. Headphones on before I turn it on. I want to go real gentle. You'll see those lights turn on. And bring it up just until I can hear it. Now, I won't be able to hear it from the position that I'm in. I can hear it from the position inside the seating area. Any content that's running through the system will be picked up by this loop from anywhere within the seating area. Now, if we happen to be having a problem where I almost have to guess what could be happening, a major crackling, squealing, something on fire, then we're going to go over here. Behind the rack over here. You don't want to touch anything in here. And come on back over here. Back over here. These two switches will turn off the units just in case something catastrophic happens. And I think that that's all you need to know.